Sam, what are you doing?
Doing a funny joke.
To these poor people, these poor... Okay, what are you gonna say? Sam's gonna play a mean prank on these poor people. Oh, they're not gonna accept it.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, final boarding call for all passengers on flight 2381 to Orlando through gate 46C. All confirmed passengers on flight 2381 to Orlando need to proceed immediately through gate 46C. Final call.
Oh God. So let me just say, the music here really sucks.
Can I get a G2 gate runner to 46C, G2
Joe.
gate runner 46C.
They're hoping no one sits in this center seat.
You're gonna like... Are these 3D cameras? No, they're like, so you can't watch the other people's TV.
Yeah. Just in case there's a peepus on the other TV. Sam's too tall. Sam, put your head against the seat.
Not too tall. He's trying to make himself as long as possible.
Sam, thumb up. Thumbs up. Yeah.
I'm very sleepy. I'm just waiting because I'm gonna have to move if somebody comes sit to. I'm reviewing the material. Oh.
What? This is my wife, Sam. Oh, here's another one.
We're gonna get copyright claim. Oh boy. So
Fuck it up.
we're in Japan. Or
Yeah.
wait, are we still in LAX?
No, we're in Japan now.
Okay. I got this Coca-Cola Plus.
All right.
That's how you can tell. I'm not sure. I think it's a Coke Zero, basically, but it's white. So I'm gonna look it
And-
up. I bet it's like plus. Oh no, I feel tired, so it's probably plus an energy drink.
It plus a what?
Oh, Coca-Cola Plus is like a hot search. New Coke with fiber. Oh.
Fiber. That's just what you need.
No. It's the healthiest drink yet.
The bad news is it's gross.
No, it tastes really good. You know what? That's a good idea though. It has dietary fiber and it tasted really good because to me, I immediately thought it was like a Calpico type drink. Calpico's the one that's like a calcium soda because milk is not, it's losing popularity worldwide. There's like a shouting truck and it was saying things very slowly and deliberately.
It's 5 more minutes up the road.
It's 5 more
sweet.
minutes up the road.
All
Should
right.
I continue this or?
Let's start when we get up there.
Okay, let's rock and roll.
Nothing